Hi, I'm Andrew at Lee Company, and I'm here to do the plumbing maintenance on the home. Some areas that we look into is the bathrooms. So we'll take a look at the faucets, the drains, water lines, as well as the toilets as well, making sure everything's operating properly. There's no leaks, drips of any kind. We also take a look at the kitchen here. Again, function, make sure everything's working properly, even the drains underneath, making sure they're draining properly. Some other areas that we look into is the laundry room here. Now what we're looking for is more on the water lines, making sure there's no leaks or drips here at the supply lines. And then also at the water heater. So whether it's a tank type or a tankless, we do flush it as part of our maintenance, which should be done yearly. So with that, thank you for choosing Lee Company, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.